He's reckless, bro. He's literally reckless. You're playing there?
Yeah, I'm playing right here.
Fucking them all.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my beautiful lighting. Today we got a cool thing to do, and yeah, that wraps up the video. Everybody drop a like and I'll see you later. No, I'm just kidding, but right now, me, Aaron, and Joe, you guys can see that Ouija board, right?
Hi.
We ain't done. We ain't done, boys. We out here about to be reckless again, and I'm sorry for the terrible lighting. I got a tiny flashlight and it's dark out. But right now, and I'm sorry if my camera keeps not focusing. It's not my fault. It's the flashlight's fault. Right now, we're walking to a nearby lake to my house, and we're gonna play the Ouija board. And this time, we're gonna try to break as many rules as possible on the Ouija board, because everybody in my comments is like, "Yo, you can't do that. That's against the rules. You can't do that. That's against the rules. Oh, you broke this rule. Oh my God, #1 rule. Don't do this." But like, I don't care. So I'm gonna like prove a point to you guys right now, and I'm gonna go and break every single rule of the Ouija board. But like, yeah, that's just all I gotta say. Like right now, we're walking to the lake and we're about to be reckless. So everybody, before this video starts, make sure you drop a like already, because you know it's gonna be reckless. You already know. All right, here we are. Sorry, I sound like absolute garbage. I'm really sick. I woke up with a really sore throat. That don't stop the grind, guys. I'm always grinding for you guys, and you know that. So let's get this started. You got Joe over here setting up the Ouija board, and I'm sorry that this light is like yellow. I got Aaron behind me with the actual flashlight, but there's a yellow light. Like, look at this. Watch. Yeah. Way better than this orange light. So if my camera keeps unfocusing because of that flashlight, just look at this, remember this image right here, and you don't want a yellow light like that, because it's ugly. See, now I look way 10 times better, even though I'm like white right now. I'm gonna read you guys the rules, and then we're gonna just go through and break all of them, because why not? We're about to be reckless tonight. All right, so this is the rule book, or like rule page, whatever you call it. I don't even know what it is. It's written in chicken scratch. I don't even know how you read this stuff. Never use the Ouija board if you think it's a game. Well, I mean, what else is it? You got it from Toys R Us. Okay. Never use the Ouija board alone. We've done that in like 3 videos already, so that's an easy one. Never use the Ouija board in a cemetery. Oh my God, we did that in a video too. Never leave the planchette on the Ouija board when you are using it. Never forget to say goodbye to the Ouija board. That's all the rules.
All right, let's go.
That's every single rule that I just read.
Wait,
there's like 4 of them. I guess since it says never play alone, like that's like actually playing. So I'm gonna have like one of us play, like actually play alone. This way we're not like, oh yeah, and I just like move the thing around. So, Joe, you wanna play it actually?
I got this, yeah.
All right, Joe's actually gonna play it. And then after that, we'll like start breaking the like reckless rules. All right, you ready, buddy?
Yeah.
Let's get it.
Yeah, I'm scared.
I
forgot about last time. All right, let's do it.
You forget to ask something, bro?
Are there any spirits here that wish to contact me?
There you go. Yes.
All right, we got someone here. What is your name? What is your name?
Must be like a little kid or something.
Oh my God, who is it, bro? You're playing it like it's a game. Get out of here.
You can't do that.
You got T-Man.
Oh God, that wasn't really playing. You think this is a game, bro? You're breaking a rule right now. This is not a game. You gotta play it legit, bro.
Dude, you even say goodbye. Come on, you gotta say goodbye to the yeah.
Yeah, say goodbye to the yeah.
All right, word, let's go.
You gotta say goodbye. Like, do the goodbye yeah.
Nah, for real, though, it wasn't working.
Huh?
It wasn't working, though?
No, I didn't even feel it.
Yeah.
Right.
There's obviously probably no spirits here. It's literally
this
lake.
is a safe town. Nice beach here.
Yeah, we got a nice beach.
Good beach.
So, there's no spirits here. I mean, he tried to play. You guys obviously saw. And then he tried like, I guess he just wanted to be funny, and he was gonna spell it like Tommy or something like that. Little Tommy boy's here. I guess that's one rule down. We gotta break the other rules right now, so. Never play the Ouija board alone. Crossed out. Next one, never use the Ouija, oh, I read the wrong one. Alright. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna find one that I'm gonna do. Joe did one, now it's my turn to do one. Never leave the planchette on the board when you're playing it. Okay.
All right, let's go.
Okay, I got this one, yeah. Are there any people here being a yeah? Alright, let's go.
Damn, dude, you finessed me.
No. No. That's rule number 2 broken. Aaron's got the next one because Aaron's an Aaron and Aaron does Aaron things. So Aaron's gonna break the next rule. All right, so the first one is gone. We're acting like it's a game right now because never use a Ouija board alone. Joe did that one, so that's 2 crossed off. Never use a Ouija board in the cemetery. We'll have to walk to the cemetery. It's only right down the road, so we can do that. Never leave the planchette on the board. I did that one. So that's 3 crossed off right now. What's the last one say? Never forget to say goodbye to the Ouija spirits.
I mean, we didn't contact any, so I guess like.
We didn't contact any, but don't say goodbye anyways. Play it right now and don't say goodbye.
Yeah, Joe, really get this 2-person.
Oh, 2 people, okay.
We want to do 3?
Oh, little training day.
3?
Okay.
We can all tap
Little
this.
point of view.
All ready?
Yeah,
Oh, Jesus H. Who's pushing down so hard?
probably me. When I played before.
Really?
Are there any spirits here
Wanting
trying to eat my butt? All right.
Oh, sugar.
Hello.
Yo, I'm the spirit.
Yo.
Damn.
What is your name?
Where's Jay?
Remember the alphabet.
Goodbye. Oh, I'm not supposed to say goodbye. Okay. Hello. There you go. Dude, that's my. Bruh. The last rule on this board is don't play in a cemetery. Should we actually play that one legit? Because there's obviously gonna be spirits of the cemetery.
I mean, yeah, I guess. I mean,
So you and Joe want to play? Light me, bro. And that's my shit. Yeah, okay. Oh god, that's bright. All right, guys. So there's not as many rules as I expected. I thought there was gonna be like a whole like little book going on, like, oh, don't do this, don't do that. But there's literally like 6 rules on there. And one of the last rules is don't play at a cemetery. So obviously we got to do that for you. Oh, bug just went in my mouth. Oh, I'm so sick. Damn, sorry this video is not as lit as you guys would have thought. I didn't look through the rules until just now when I was filming this, and there's only like 4 of them. So real quick, I had to let you guys know the reason why we're like disrespecting the Ouija board right now is because the number 1 rule is never play if you think it's a game. The reason why that is the number 1 rule is because if you think it's a game, it's not gonna work. Oh my god, I'm sorry this lighting is terrible. Like, I feel awful. It's not gonna work if you think it's a game. Like, if you go in there thinking it's a game and you don't have the mentality like, oh yeah, there's gonna be a spirit here, then it's not gonna work. Like, that's why it's the number 1 rule, because the only reason it will ever work is if you think it's gonna work. You have to believe in. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, it's time to go to the cemetery.
Yo, I don't want to do this.
All right, well, here's the cemetery. I think all the games are gonna go aside right now. We're actually gonna play legit because we don't want to disrespect anybody like on the grave or whatever. We don't want to disrespect any spirits. Why does my camera not focus? They're gonna play legit.
Dude, I'm scared.
yeah, kind of. This is sketchy.
I don't
already
know.
sketched out. This is the same.
Dude,
this is the same cemetery that Jeff like. Whatever happened with him. This is the same spot.
Yeah, but you're not. You guys aren't playing alone. You guys are playing together, so you're bullying.
So
Yeah,
we're
that's
both
true.
gonna be messed up.
Nah.
Dude,
It's
let's
like
have
really
peaceful
hard for anything
board.
to go wrong when you play together. We're going in the cemetery this way, and we're coming out the same way. Pound it, boys. Oh fudge.
It's kind of sketchy.
Pound. All right, let's get it. You guys see this tombstone right here? Remind you of anything? This was my first ever Ouija board video right here at this tombstone. All right, just set that thing down. Let's play.
Mary Morton.
He's reckless, bro. He's really reckless. You're playing there?
Yeah, I'm playing right here.
All right.
Mary.
Aaron, you playing with him?
I don't know, dude.
Set this thing up and let's get it.
I don't know
Aaron,
if
you playing?
I don't, dude. I don't want to.
You don't want to play alone. I know. I'm always the
No,
one
this
that
is
peer.
kinda sketchy.
I'm always the one that peer pressures all my friends to do it, and I never do it,
You've never played.
I don't want to do it.
dude. Because I don't want to. I don't like spirits, bro.
Mary.
Joe, I think you got it.
I got it.
I think you got
Yeah,
it.
you're right.
No.
Yeah, I'm just
Aaron, we're not letting him get possessed again.
Nah, he's good, dude.
Dude, it's a girl spirit.
How do you know this one's the actual one that's gonna come?
I'm gonna call her name.
Can you do that?
We'll
think
find
so.
out.
I think you can like ask like, hey, is so and so here?
Really?
I think so.
Dude, I don't think so.
I don't know, dude.
All right.
I never got into the details.
You
of
guys
that
are both
before.
playing.
I don't want to.
You're playing.
I don't want to.
You're playing.
No way.
You're playing right
No
now.
shot.
All right. Everybody, let's start playing. Everybody gas Aaron up right now in the comments. Oh my God, play it. Play it. Oh my God, play it. Yeah.
Yo, they're all gonna
I'm reading the comments right now, and they're all gassing you to play it. All right, you guys ready? Hold on, let me get on the other side. I feel like I do that every single video. I always forget to go on the side.
Yeah, get the light like right here so it's not too glary.
Yeah.
Good.
Dude, I'm scared. I don't know. I still don't want to do this.
When you put your fingers on, just don't take them off, bro.
Alright.
I talk a lot of game, like I know what I'm talking about, but
I
never even
know
played
what I'm
this.
talking about. That's why I'm sketched, dude.
This
Like, I know all about
is-
this. Alright,
Right in front of a tombstone.
ready?
Yeah.
Is there any spirits here? This is whack.
I'm still not even used to it.
This is whack. I don't like this, dude.
I feel like there was a spirit here just like waiting for us to ask.
Nah,
That went
dude.
so fast. Yeah, move your head a little bit, Joe. Like to the right. Yeah, there you go.
What's your name? A.
Hey, okay. Hey, okay.
N.
AN1.
N.
Ah,
And
And.
Yeah.
Is your name Anne?
This is the first time I ever got a female. I'm assuming, anyways.
Alright. I don't like this, dude. I'm like, my heart's pounding. This is not cool.
This is the first
are
time
you a
Aaron's
good
played.
spirit? Okay.
I mean, I guess that's good, right?
I don't know, bro. Every time they say yes to good spirit,
I feel
something
like
weird
they're
happens.
just lying.
I don't know.
Every time.
No.
Like last time when it flew off the board.
How old are you? Four. 6. 46? Were you 46 when you died? Nah, dude. No.
This is sketchy.
No. Dude, this is not good.
They said nothing's weird happening yet.
That is just the idea of
Nothing
this.
weird is happening. It's moving itself.
Nah.
What do you mean nothing weird's
Yeah, at
happening?
least it's got, and there's not like an evil spirit.
Nah, dude. I don't like this.
We're in a good cemetery.
I can only hope so.
Okay.
How did you die, Anne? Or how did you pass? I'm sorry.
C A
Car.
Car?
car.
Car.
What?
No.
Caris?
Carer?
Cara. C-A-R-A.
What is
Dude,
it?
no.
What is this?
How did you die?
Stop.
Dude, relax.
Yeah.
We don't
No,
want. We
no,
don't.
no.
We don't want any harm.
And we
yeah.
don't want any, we're sorry if we offended you, and we don't want any, please calm down, Anne.
I don't like this, dude. Calm down, please.
Anne, please calm down. We don't want any problems. Oh my god.
No.
What are you doing?
What is going? Don't let it go off the board. Wait, did it just? You didn't stop it, did you? Did it just stop like that?
It just stopped.
Oh my god, dude.
What the what are you
This
doing?
needs to calm down. And we don't want any guys to say goodbye.
We don't want.
Can we say goodbye?
We want to leave.
And,
We gotta go.
and
No.
it was nice talking to you. We need to leave now.
Goodbye.
Anne. Okay.
That was whack, dude.
Yo.
All right. Let's get the board.
Let's just get out of here.
Oh my god,
Dude, honestly,
that was whack.
I don't think it was a bad spirit.
I don't know, dude.
I don't think it was a bad spirit. I think that she
don't
just
want
might maybe
I don't
got
want this.
is a soft spot maybe.
Dude, you're like.
It's okay.
Yeah, dude.
Let's
I'm
just
not
leave.
carrying it. Yeah. Dude, you
This-
carry it. I don't
Hold on, I gotta vlog.
Just hold it. Just
Hold it real quick. I genuinely, wow, that was weird. Dude, there's always something weird happening with this thing, man. Oh, man. Oh, I got the chills everywhere through me. I genuinely believe Anne was a good spirit. For the first time, I think I've played it. Oh, wait, no. I've had my grandmother and my uncle when my mom played, but, like, that wasn't me playing, and whatever. I never even played, actually. I don't even know what I'm talking about. Every time I do these videos, I don't know what to talk about because, like, it's always, like, the weirdest stuff. It's like how do you talk about something like that, you know? But anyways, I genuinely believe Anne was a good spirit. I think that maybe we hit a soft spot and she didn't want to talk about it or like something like that because like right when she said how she died, it was a car, so I don't know if she got hit by a car or like maybe a drunk driver or something. Maybe we hit a soft spot and I'm sorry if it hurt her feelings or whatever. We don't want any problems. I genuinely believe it was a good spirit, so that's good. That was so weird. All right,
I'm tripping still.
we were breaking all the rules at first, being funny and like the lake and stuff because I did a lot of research on this before I decided to do this video. And the first rule is never play everything as a game because you need to believe and you need to have your actual like beliefs into the board while you're playing it for it to actually work, for it to actually move and then a spirit to actually connect with you. So if you're like treating it like a game and you're just messing around with it, it's not gonna work. And that's why I was not scared to like break the rules at first. But when we went to the cemetery, I didn't want to cause any disrespect in the cemetery. I'm so out of breath for talking so much. What do you guys think about that?
I don't know. Yeah. I don't know how to think about
They're
that.
sketched. I know I talk a lot of game, like, oh, yo, my friends are sketched out right now, but I've actually never played,
Let's
so.
turn the camera around and make you play it once. Maybe you'll change your thoughts.
Nope, never played that game. I don't mess with spirits, bro. All right, I'll catch you guys when I get back to my house. Boonk, boonk, boonk. That is golden, no pun intended, because they're golden Oreos. You know what I'm saying? Alright. Actually, before I vlog, I'm gonna swallow this. I don't want to be rude to you guys. So hold on 1 second. Okay, so this is the angle I have to go at, because like if I'm down here, see that? See the shadow? I don't like that. I don't like the way I look like that, so I'm very insecure. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like. Comment what you think. Comment like anything your little heart desires, and I'll reply to you and all that. I'm feeling good tonight. And also, since I'm feeling good tonight, I'm going on a follow spree on Instagram. So definitely follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna be on the bottom of the screen. Turn on post notifications. Comment on my post saying like, yo, I turned on post notifications. I'm following you, and I'm definitely gonna follow you back. I'm following back like at least 1,000 people. Not even joking. So definitely go do that. And guys, subscribe if you're new. Turn on post notifications because you don't want to miss anything I upload. Every day is a banger, and every day's be lit. Obviously, you can see that by this content that you just watched today. That's all I really gotta say, guys. Oh, one more thing. I was lying. My merchandise is the first link in the description. Definitely check it out. I got Dufner merch. I got hoodies and sweatshirts and t-shirts and all that kind of stuff. So definitely check it out, and it'd be really cool to see some of you guys rocking my merch. And this time, that's all I have to say. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Deuces. Guys, if you're seeing this right now, comment mega stuff if you're seeing this right now. Yo.
This is more than music, I can feel it. I'm reading y'all people like Dr. Philin. And everybody, cause I just kill it. I'm the center of the stage, y'all just feelings. I'm a G, don't get it twisted.